Hi guys. So this is going to be a refresher for those of you who are saying they don't know where things are. So I'm just going to remind you where you can find all of the stuff in Canvas while I'm gone. So you're going to click on your classes link in your dashboard in Canvas. And then you're going to go through and you're going to click on lesson modules. This is going to take you to that weekly screen. You're going to click on the current week. And be patient and don't start scrolling because this will take you right there if you just give it 1 second. Okay, so there, it took me exactly to the week. You have all notes and videos up here in Unit 4 to kind of help you prepare for your test that's coming up next week. So all of the systems and photosynthesis and cellular respiration and all of that can be reviewed there. We have, this is the main sort of link for the week. It gives you all the lesson plans and when everything is due. And then below this, we have the each day we have the daily brainy, and any of the assignments are going to be like indented underneath of it. Okay, so on Tuesday, we did the concept map and the Flipgrid video, and on Wednesday we're going to do the cell respiration web quest. Okay, so all of that stuff can be found here, but it also can be found in here with a more of an explanation of what the assignment is. If you'll remember, all of my lesson plans are on this plan book, and it tells you exactly what you're going to be doing that day. What's due when is going to be in purple, and any notes. And then if you go below, again, all of the daily brainies are linked here too. And so are the assignments that were just on the previous page. They're linked here as well. So that's all here for you. So you should be able to figure out based on this what you're doing. Remember, you can move back and forth in this lesson plan thing if you want to look and see what's next week. You just click that right arrow there, and that's going to move it over. Right now you can't see anything because there's not anything there, but you'll be able to see like all of the next week stuff. Just like if you wanted to go backwards, you can go back and see the prior week lesson plans and see what we did last week. So all of that's there for you to scroll through. So hopefully that makes it easier for you to find what you need. But if you need anything or can't find anything, just let me know. Send me an email, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Okay, guys, take care.